Kennedy Agyapong okasa keke sometimes more what me take a lot of sense from his cousin but to me no dey agro Abanusano biase Kennedy Agyapong but people refuse to go into themselves and ask one or two questions and call for answers. For how long have our late brother Ahmed been working with Anas? Many who any come ha Kennedy Agyapong on the 2 TV or ye so-called video of a friend say Ahmed Anas eba bonting and the denying inside the studio Anas can say that is not a picture of Ahmed or none of his team members. Kennedy Agyapong honorable or ye that video no Anas came out to deny the picture of any member of his Tiger
IPS. Said they were protecting
what? I'm coming. I said my lead is pointing to something else. He denied it completely. When was Ahmed shot? What time? Timing. Yes. Fantastic. Anas or breaking story time, man.
2 hours time.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Time is soon. One time say loaded. Or breaking time, man. No matter what baby says I no. Any Ahmed picture, and any team member be a picture. The clip is there. Okay. Number 2, did you call for protection? Even though say that was not who called for protection for any team member? Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, is a picture. No, did you call for protection within the security agencies for any member of your team? Now between 10 and 12, why release this statement? Why a compilation? Nipa. Unipa. Unibojuma. This is hey, Ubojuma for that long. That may be some questions there. For how long have Ahmed worked with Kennedy Agyapong? Sorry, Anas. Sani Pano Asama Tunusuno. What yanya adaje atinase? Chocho nyoma. Editing. Compilation of past events. Oh, Abba. Yenyan sena yembing. And I see Kennedy Agyapong were a coward. Wakasa keke na nikasa ya onja gwa asem de asem tunusu. Look, I have oh God, what have been the relationship with Anas and Nkrofo bi ma onimo abo adwuma pen? What have been their relationship?
Yeah, Ahmed kan ho na ifisa Ahmed DM or nimpanim fo kire mu se omonto ne ye adwuma pen
me no ho bi o hwa we a yes, who kasa ti say who classmates who than for front who kasa omuti you. Until don't do party politics with issues like this. Be professional. What did they make an say? Kennedy Agyapong eka say sa kwanu ati say otabani premises. And from my information Kennedy Agyapong no prince no only say akorano otamanu bibi Ahmed no. O say it is akorano next obaha mumbunu. Do you understand? But yes, Anas went on to deny the true color of the guy. Okay.
Ntini ewu kan say.
Meba. Na muntubu.
Ebri ni ho.
Kennedy Agyapong ba mu studio ha. Hosted by Obi. Say akora bia oni Ahmed any Anas aye adwuma no. Was one ya check message. Say bien. They will act the way they did to Ahmed. So it is now becoming clear, say, some of Anas team members are getting closer to Kennedy Agyapong. So there's a threat somewhere. In fact, I will totally rubbish the comment of the US friend saying, Congressman. The ICC will be a citizen of my own pay. Cowardly as they are, hypocrites. Okay? Asem asi. Ye train, ye share. But I am encouraging the police force, knowing their capability, that they should go deep into this. Okay? How many of Nyoma and nothing called from Mayano? It is possible so they might have hurt people. They might have hurt people, of course. As I speak here, I'm hurting somebody. But that does not call for you to come and put gun on me. Let's jojo. What I say? But say ye di any ekot hwe baby fufuro a. Moko edi tu jasunu ebekọ enim.
Yeah, that's it. So as my Francois.
Makia.
Mamenti you to 30 seconds. Mimia kojoda nkwa aye propaganda bi wa ha. Make us first me
very quick one. And that's customer BBC no. Was say as we speak as we speak at the editorial meeting Ame's seat is empty. When was the last time at an editorial meeting Ame sat in a meeting with Anas and Co?
A question.
When was the last time?
Maybe sir. Let's say loaded. Next week, no. You reveal it.
Makia, entino. Mini aye propaganda bi make asem wo fast. Be makola bi esika wakoton card yakoto. It is a wakatam say sa akwala dey aye greedy dia. And your name Morris Ampa is the greediest. Mantra ha anka under normal circumstances say men's good customers is greedy. Mamentia oru ajojo free so far as the issues abam. E for anasense mo em say ye dey egusu tanachi ye nim say emiri bia e kwan be bi no obey GFA president answer na me pacho me pacho I ana me ka say obey answer and ba o me so be ye nyina be boa na manaye makua me say me the issue we aba no Anas himself is a suspect,
a serious one,
serious. I'm telling you.
Police for no afi no omo ye nhwehwemu.
Police for no so enu nti na wo so omo tia na ase na nkasa no.
Da bi omo so omo mfre omo.
Omo mfa no omo so omo misa aya me mfa se me mfa se wa chene me mfa se e wo so omo friend no omo bisa ne nsem. So that it will help in their investigation.
Because Anas lawyer no dey one no emu na obeka second dey Japan mum na wo se e friend no bisa ne bibi.
No say ba side obi abeka dey obe.
Makua. Ade ba ko wo se hu ni se sa ade we ebetumi afiri any angle aba. So obetumi ka kire me se ebi akana Japan show ye no ena ma akwala nanim da ho ena obi afa so aye ne sa e ho de menyi nipa ko betumi agree to some extent. Ena ba ye no kra no one na so be deny totally say ade na akana Japan yi na nyamwa bia aye de na afa de nipa no wu ya o be kra na key verse e say an ena akana Japan show nanim ena o ye say who are you deceiving? Makia ebeti yamba say koko asemo amoko kan moko yi video awo Burkina Faso border nkrofo di koko cross smuggle koko smugglers and obi asedi no hu say asemo we see 4 years ago papa we na menini nya encounter during the time entino I will try to harm the person. What you say na say na mini abasi kan Makia sabi yeti azisi nyame fa sama manu susu na so ye ka tem se mini abasi ntu awu a it better taking about 2 hours to come to myself. Sabe onye mi busu ni, oya madam for ye studio ha ye sia ha ye namfo. Ebe ye di pass within 2 hours make me comport me ho. Eti that means say you catch her say akola na wuna and I start FA pay and now for our laptop and then you started correcting events. It must be a preconceived statement police for no friend no misano.
Oh hu ne.
Madwi no. Oh yes, me me say me madwi no. Because it will take you 2 hours. Only power, only year Juma, also on the editorial board, only yes, not 2 hours. When we were a UBS says, Anyariana, when you boni to na akuya, may imagine say you boni to pay. Now within 2 hours, but me a transfer to any panhonsem, and you begu in Tintankes, so I said the whole world will be uncanny. And so they should invite Anas and ask him questions. Omama Anas in providing the boys na no mom na omu se bi so mako police one do solution. I'm catch it. Omama ne fa ne nkola no no ya dwuma ni nyamba one on one the police will engage them. And they will know where this state came from or where these killings came from. A young guy.
They should come out.
Young guy.
They should come out. The way Anas and court threatening them. Nirangas.
What you say? What
are you talking about? Why do you want to change like that?
The family, look at this young man. When living the life up to this time. Ebi obe in the family.
What are you talking about?
Na this time, ebi abusuano kwa omoni dance umposo onumpo ne baby bi. Na obi afetu abono.
Unim say yes o man nine no adopting na yaka ho.
Enwoche nkwala nwoche.
No hwe amanfo.
This young boy was able to adapt people.
What you say? Onumpo atimi aye. Odo a owo nipa. Na enipa timi abonituo akunu. Na sabi uku aponche kra yekunu sen. Na sabi nipa. I think say some Ghanaians are becoming wicked. Enipa bi trimu ya de oma wo nipa bi eya ya wudifo nipa bi trimu aye sun awo Ghana this time. Na sabi unu obi wasem kra yekunu. Unu obi wasem yekunu. Aya reho bat.
Na yen show approach for the omudi abetudwai. Se wuti a be busumi ni no ya maami o watemade eda ho no mo mankra lo idi eda ho na no Ghana water penny no wo konofu ekoku no kwan mu ne de eda ho na amadidie ya beka ho penimfo sini nyina omo ye nhwehwe mu
ba okol meme de eda bia meka IGP o nipa bia to be frank to media to be frank say as communicator of MPP and as a single person as Francois na djuma ya maninyi honda maninyi adjuma LGP adjuma ya honda
aprosifo nso o ma chichiri bio
chiri de ombe chiri bi hwe makwa o ka say last 2 weeks me beto aka kire wo say akola bi ko twa video ma police for jini phone some o ka say me ka cho so what type no ana police for omo adjuma ko yie sanka papa yi yebo ni tuo nko bi twa video na police ni no kwa chiri nipa na o twa video sanka papa yebo ni tuo obi twa video na police kwa chene sa adenti na police for ana ye yaba area ha na o twa video. Do you know what it can lead to? Enti IGP on kan chene nkrofo no na sa asebise ni se hu na police for di say omo ye bibi na obi twi fo a na police for akwa je fi ni nsamo e bobo ni gu ni handcuff omo nya sa se hu ni di na mo a omo
ya da say